All right, now look at this. $32,809. Can you see that? Look at that again. $32,809. This is how much I made with this particular product. Okay. Now, what am I going to tell you about this money? I want to talk about email list building. All right. Building your email list. Now, when you are able to build your email list, you will be able to promote multiple products to your email list. And this is one of the products that I am promoting to my email list. And that's how I'm able to make consistent sales and income. Okay. Now just look at all these sales, the way they are coming in. Can you see that? So that's powerful, right? Let's even come to where it says commission. And then let's look at commission here. Just let it load because I want you to get this clearly. Now look at all these commissions that are being paid: $20, $100, $20, $100, $20, $20, $20, $100. Now all this because I am able to build my email list. Okay, so that's why in this video I'm going to show you a product that can help you to build an email list. Not just any email list, but a buyer list. Okay, a buyer email list, so that you can get buyers that are going to buy your products when you promote online, just like I'm promoting. So just look at that. Okay, you can see my name here and my face, so you know it's my account. And look at how much I've made with this product already. $32,809. Let's look at another product. Now, this is another product that I'm promoting here, and you can see it's called the OLSP System, and you can see how much I've made already. $8,420 already, because I am promoting this product to my email list. Now let's check another product. Now this product is called Got Backup. I am also promoting this product to my email list, and look at how much I've already made: $2,270. You can make commissions just like this if you have your email list. Okay, now let me show you a product that I am using, a program that I am using to build my email list, and you will see how awesome it is. So the program is called the One Page Funnel System. Can you see that? So this is called the One Page Funnel System. And why do I like this program a lot? Because everybody in the world can afford it. It only costs $7, right? Just $7. And I'm not kidding you. And by promoting this One Page Funnel System, you will be able to earn commissions: low ticket commission, medium ticket commission, and high ticket commission. In fact, this product is a done for you system, and I'm going to explain how it's done for you. So if you are somebody looking to earn a high ticket commission over $500 and above, you need this One Page Funnel System, and it only costs $7 one-time payment to be part of it. So it's very affordable, and you will be able to build a buyer's email list with this program. It's powerful, very, very powerful. Now let me show you some people using this One Page Funnel System that are making money with it already. Let's go straight to let's come here. This is the Facebook group, and you can see so many people are joining. Okay, but the most important, look at people making money here. Look at Ben Hada, he got paid $30. Okay, let's check some other people. Look at Carlos. Carlos made commissions. You can see all the commissions he made. It's powerful system. Let's check another person here. This is Tioshi. Tioshi got paid $32. Can you see that? So you can see that the program, people are making money, people are getting paid, okay? Let's check some more people. Look at Carlos, he made a sale, okay? Let's check another person. Look at Christy. She too made a lot of sales. Can you count so many sales within a short time? Let's check more people. Look at Yuvrov, already at $12,328. That's very good. Let's check more. Look at Marius. He got paid $600 from the system, guys. So you can see a lot of people are making money with this system. Ratnaka also got paid. That's powerful. And you can see how much Ratnaka made. Over $1,000 already made with a $7 program, guys. It's very, very powerful. Now, let's check other people that have made money with this system. Let's look at this. Let's see. Yeah, look at Jenna Marie. $2,844 made with a $7 system. So you can see that Rebecca made over $1,000 with a $7 system. Look at Mr. Jeremy, over $1,166 with a one-page funnel system. Imagine, look at what he said. $1,166 in from a $7 system. Where do you get that? There's nowhere. Look at Hansi. Hansi made $1,323 with the one-page funnel system. So far, he has generated over $4,560, guys. It's powerful. In fact, he made a high ticket commission of $1,200. It's powerful. Look at Mitch, over $3,000 in so far with the one-page funnel system. So you can see that even though this is a $7 product, you can actually make a lot of money with it. Now, let me show you sales that I'm getting regularly, right? Let's come here. So this is my Gmail account, as you know already. So this is my Gmail account, and I'm just going to do a little search. And then just look at the way I'm getting sales, 2 sales, 6 sales, 2 sales. Can you see how I'm getting sale with the one-page funnel system? It's powerful. You can see that. Victor, you just earned the affiliate commission or for sale of one-page funnel. You can see that. A lot of sales. Can you see? I just keep making sales over and over and over again because I'm promoting the one-page funnel system. Okay, so it's very, very powerful, and that's why I'm able to make consistent income online, right? You know, let me show you some incomes that I've received because I promote products online. Look at this, $421 paid to my Wise account. Let's look at this, $1,027 paid to my Wise account. Let's check some more. $1,508 paid to my Wise account. Check this out. $1,004 paid to my Wise account. Look at this, $424 here, $360 here, and you can see all these commissions. $359, $317, $366. Look at this $600 commission paid to my PayPal account. So if you want to earn commissions just like this, you need what is called the one-page funnel system. Now, before I show you how to join the system, let me go to my note and explain this one-page funnel system. Because a lot of people ask me, how is it possible for you to make thousands of dollars with a $7 system? Now, the one-page funnel system is a done-for-you CPA marketing system. CPA marketing is very, very important that you understand that. Now, what is CPA marketing or cost per action marketing? This is a performance-based advertising model where a business pay you for a specific customer action. So you can see that. So you don't have to buy anything when it comes to CPA. Okay, all you need to do is to just share your link all over the internet, whether on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you like. Share your link and then drive customers or drive visitors to your link or to the CPA offers, which is what the one-page funnel system is. It only costs you $7 one time. That is all, and you get your link and you start sharing your link. Now, with the one-page funnel system, everything is done for you, right? So when you share your link, okay, and then you start getting leads, the system start following up with your lead and start marketing multiple CPA offers to your lead. And if a sale is made, you are paid commission. It's just as simple as that, right? Now, you could earn high ticket commissions with the CPA offer. So you can earn commissions of up to $500 or even $1,000 or more, just like I showed you with all the other people. And that's how it works, right? It's so easy. Now you can earn low ticket commissions of even $5 to high ticket commissions of over $1,000, guys. Now that is amazing. So like I said, all you need to do is share your link. When you share your link, then you get leads coming into your link, and then the system takes over, follow up with the lead, market and sell multiple products to them while you keep all the commission. So you can actually make a lot of money with a $7 system. All right. Now, some people may not know how to promote. If you don't know how to promote, there is a done for you traffic in the system. Okay, so you can negotiate with the admin and they will promote your link for you. So that will make the system 100% done for you, guys. So as you are getting all these sales, you are building a list, email list of buyers. And that's what I've explained from the beginning. So you can see the one-page funnel system is exciting, it's affordable for everybody. So if you are ready to join the one-page funnel system right now, it's so easy. Just go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? Now, once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the one-page funnel system. So go ahead, click that first link, just like this. Now, once you click that first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. Now, all you have to do, just enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. Then you see the yellow button that says yes, give me access. Click that yellow button, pay your $7, and you will be part of the one-page funnel system. All right, so guys, that is it. So if you decide to join my team, I am offering free one-on-one training, free one-on-one coaching, free one-on-one mentoring. I'm also giving out free bonuses to those that decide to join my team in the one-page funnel system. All right, so if you like this video, please go ahead, click the like button, also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure to subscribe to this channel right now. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.